guys, this is the amazing cube. This is a creepy. You hear that train horn in the background? That is what this video is about. That creepy thing. Guys, why is it so creepy? How is it this creepy? Why is it this creepy? Why was that horn so creepy? Why was the horn so creepy? That was the creepiest train horn I've ever heard. Right when I heard it, I went and started up the YouTube video. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. What? Why aren't you saying comment? Well, because our videos are so kid friendly. Now do you hear the creepy train horn? Now do you hear the creepy train horn? That is a little bit scary. Now like and subscribe. Because our videos are so kid friendly, you cannot comment on any of our. You can no longer. Hey guys, because of a recent YouTube update, you cannot comment on any of my videos now anymore. Comments have been disabled. Don't even think about trying. So you cannot comment on our videos anymore. But just like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on notifications so that you're notified when we upload at random times. Thank you guys. Thank you for 13 subs. I know we might hit 14 subs, but thank you.